Hello boys and girls, welcome to our math lesson for today, Thursday. Today we continue learning about capacity and we're gonna have a little bit fun coloring again today. So which is holding more? Which is holding more? More liquid. And over here in very tiny letters you can read color in the picture that is holding the most liquid. So instead of focusing on the object that is holding the least, that is holding less, today we're going to focus on the object that is holding the most. Ready? Here we go then. Okay? Vamos a enfocarnos en el objeto que tiene más. Solamente vamos a colorear el objeto que tiene más. We're only going to color the object that has the most, that holds the most. And here we go. We have two pictures. Oh, by the way, boys and girls, super important. Since we have these pictures have two sides. You see, I want you to make sure, boys and girls, you're not doing the wrong side. We must begin together on the same side. We are going to do this side first. This is the side with the two pictures. We're going to do this side first. Vamos a hacer el lado que tiene las dos jarras primero. Alright, so you can actually use your favorite color. Let's see what colors I have here. I have a bunch of crayons here. Let me see which one should I use. Since it's a picture, let's do lemonade. I'm gonna do lemonade, so I'm gonna use yellow for the lemonade. So boys and girls, which picture holds the most? Which one do you think holds the most? ¿Cuál contiene más? Más cantidad. ¿Cuál contiene más cantidad? Sí, porque no es la que aguanta. Both of them are the same. So it's not the ones that can hold the most. It's the one that has the most liquid right now. And it's gonna be this one, right? You can see that the line here is higher than on this one. So this picture contains more lemonade, right, than the other one. All right, so we're gonna call it this one. All right, let's go for the dog bowl then. Which one has more water, right? Because doggies don't need soup. So one of these contains more than the other. Which of these two bowls contains more water for the doggy? And if you said this one, you are right. It's the second one. So I'm gonna color this one blue. And it's this one. This one is the one that contains the most. Esta es la que más contiene. Alright, here we go. We have 2 bottles of milk. Which one do you think contains more milk? I think this one too, right? So we're gonna color this one. Let's see. It's gonna be chocolate milk. Oh, I thought this was brown, but it's more like a reddish brown. Alright, there you go. It's chocolate milk. So this is what we have so far. We're here on the balloons, on the water balloons now. Which water balloons do you think contains more water? This one, right? You see? The filling line over here it's higher. Alright, so we're gonna color the one that contains the most. This is the balloon that contains the most. Let's leave it like that. Alright, we're moving down to the next couple pictures. So here we have 2 jars. Which one do you think contains more? Which one do you think contains more? And maybe we could do strawberry jam, right? Did we speak? It's cotton candy. Oh my goodness. There's so many different types of pink. Okay, maybe this one works. Yeah, magenta. Okay, this one will work. It's gonna be this one, boys and girls. This one contains more liquid. Alright, so we have this one right here. We're gonna color the whole thing, the whole jar. Yay! Alright, and now, boys and girls, we have 2 plates. Which plate do you think contains more? Which one contains more? And this one could be soup, right? You're right, this one contains more. So we're gonna color this one. This one is the one that is holding the most liquid or the most soup. It's actually this one, the first one. All right, so we only have 2 more on this side. Let's take a look at this one. Looks like a yogurt container, right? Or maybe an ice cream cup. So which one contains the most, boys and girls? Look at the line over here. And look at the line over here. This line is higher. So this one is the one that contains the most. Now I'm going to color it. I was going to use green. Let's use this green. Since this is the one that contains the most, I'm going to color this one. This is the one that contains the most. And finally, we have 2 fish tanks. I want you to look at them. Which one do you think is the one that contains the most water? Look at the filling line. You see? This line is higher than this one. So we can say that this fish tank is the one that contains the most. And you can use whichever colors you want. Let me see if I can get all the answers, all the entire page on the screen so you can see it. Don't forget, if you need to pause the video, you can do so. Once you see the entire page on the screen, you can always pause the video and just check your answers. Just make sure that what you did is right. Siempre que vean toda la página en la pantalla, pueden pausar el video para asegurarse que lo que han hecho está bien. Alright, boys and girls, it's time to turn the page. And I'm going to turn to the other side now. So once again, which is holding more? We're going to color in the picture that is holding the most liquid. So once again, we continue with liquid. Which one is holding the most now? Again, we have 2 jars. Let's see, which jar do you think is holding the most? ¿Cuál jar tiene más cantidad? The first one, right? So we go ahead and we color the first one. Alright. So that was the first one. Now we have 2 measuring cups. 2 measuring cups. Which of these 2 measuring cups do you think has the most liquid in it? Look at this one and look at this one. It's this one, right? Let's see if I can find. Let's use this color. This color looks nice. Don't forget, you can use your favorite colors. Alright, boys and girls. So let's see if we're gonna do 2 more together and then you do the rest on your own. Vamos a hacer estos 2 más junticos y después ustedes hacen los últimos solos. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna use blue now. Boys and girls, we have 2 salt shakers. Which one do you think contains the most? Which salt shaker contains the most? This one to the left, to the right, right? The one to the right. The line is higher than over here. So we can say that this salt shaker contains more salt than... So this one doesn't have a liquid. This one has a solid, because salt is a solid. But this one contains more than this one. How about the oil? This is like an oil dispenser. Which one do you think contains the most? Look at the filling line. This one is almost up to the neck. This one is still under the neck. So which one do you think contains the most? The one to the right again. Oh wow, the right is winning. It's actually a tie, right? 2 to the right, 2 to the left. These are usually made out of glass, like the salt shaker. Alright, boys and girls, so there's 4 more here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want you to do them on your own. Quiero que los hagan solos, okay? you're only gonna focus on the one that has the most. Solo se van a enfocar en el que tiene más. ¿Cuál de los dos tiene más? Which one has the most? Contains the most. Which one contains the most? You're gonna call it the ones that contains the most. Which one contains more lemonade? Which one contains more lemonade? You're gonna color the one that contains more lemonade. Vamos a colorear el que contiene más limonada. And these could be honey, right? Or maybe jam or something like that. ¿Cuál contiene más? Which one contains the most? Solo vamos a colorear el que contiene más. Alright, I want you to look at this one. Look at the filling line. Look at the juice. Look, there's juice inside. Which one contains the most? This one, it's up to here, and this one is only up to half of the container. You see? Which one contains the most? ¿Cuál tiene más adentro? Van a colorear en cada uno, van a colorear el que más líquido tenga adentro. Quiero que esto lo hagan ustedes solitos, ¿ok? Van a colorear el que más líquido tiene adentro. Well, boys and girls, that was it for our math. After you're done with this, you can put it away and then you can look for social studies. But before I let you go from this video, boys and girls, do not forget over here in your packet, boys and girls, in your green packet at the bottom, you can see IXL P.5 and P.6. These are the IXLs that you're going to work on this week. Do not forget, if they get too hard, boys and girls, it's okay if you leave them on 90. I just need you to do something, all right? If you do up to 90, that it will work for me. Estos son los IXL. Está en la cubierta del paquete verde. Aquí lo pueden ver. En la cubierta de su paquete pueden ver que esta semana vamos a hacer el IXL P.5 y el IXL P.6. Muy importante, por favor, que los hagan. Si están muy difíciles, no pueden llegar a los 100 puntos, no pasa nada. Al menos lleguen a 90. Con que lleguen a 90, yo estoy feliz. A 90. Bueno, well, boys and girls, let me send you a big hug and a big kiss, and I'll see you later for social studies. Bye, boys and girls.